Hi, Anita, darling.
Did you run a race, Cruella?
No, I smoke. I was getting tired of racing.
Oh.
Racing. I just want to smoke cigarettes with a cigarette holder.
Oh.
I love smoking.
Oh. Well, that makes it hard to run. You're right about that.
Yes.
Because as you run, the ashes are dropping and it's terrible.
What is?
Trying to be a runner when you smoke.
I tried to be a runner and I smoke.
Yeah, it's terrible. So you went to the dog guide walk.
Yes.
Did you see any Dalmatians?
Yes, I saw Dalmatians.
Were they covered in soot?
They're covered in soot, hiding from Cruella, and I said to them, "It can't be. It's impossible. Horace, the Jasper, Horace, Jasper." There they go, in the van. After them, after them. You idiots! You fools! Oh, you imbeciles!
Did you register yet, or is Mom in there registering?
Hi, Dave.
Hey.
Who've you got?
We're dog sitting a dog.
Oh, it's not your dog. Well, it's really nice to see you.
See it.
So is it just you and Emily? No kids?
No kids today.
I'm Isabel.
Hey,
How are you?
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Finally.
Are you one with autism?
I think
My daughter has autism. She's at the park right now.
How are you, Emily?
Great, how are you?
Great. It's really nice that you guys came.
We've got a future dog guide with us today, Cinder, and she is with Missy Westgate. Missy, how many dogs have you had?
She's our 37th foster pup for the program.
Whoa!
Thank you.
You say yes? Yes, I am.
So we're sitting here. We bailed on the walk because it was way too long. So now we're sitting here, and we forget that we have ears on, and everybody goes by and smiles at us, and we're like, "Oh, hi." We don't even know why they're looking at us.
It must be because we're so good looking.
It is. We're just like stunningly good looking. People can't believe their luck in meeting us. There were 3 men sitting on a park bench on a rock over there that invited us for a drink. These ears are really working for us. Okay,
We should go to a bar with them.
we should go to a bar. Well, that was like a bar, Mom. There were 3 men. 3 men just sitting there saying, "Hey, baby." Tommy is going to want all the names of the dogs that were here. So Adel, who's with Tommy, was placed in January 2011. So he's had her 7, almost 8 years.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
It was great.
My mom and I had a really good time because everybody kept walking by and we forgot we had ears on, and we had we had very interesting comments from people. And we actually were offered a drink, so we decided maybe the ears make us super attractive.
Hi, Tommy. I'm Erin.
Hey, nice to meet you.
You ran the.
I like the dog's name is Freeman.
You did.
Oh yeah.
All the good guys are called Tom.
Yeah, that's true. It's a good name. It is a good name. Yeah. Do you remember Tom from last year, Tommy?
Yes.
Yeah, do you?
And you were at one of our walks, one of our first walks, I think, when we started
Yeah,
school.
and it was pouring rain.
Awful day. It was
Yeah.
a nasty, nasty day.
Yeah,
And you came to speak to our club also, Tom.
yeah. That's right, that's still on Tommy's YouTube channel.
For those who don't know who I am, my name is Andy Etherington. I'm past district governor for District A4 and the chair of the walk this year. And with me is Adel Tommy, who is also the co-chair, although she doesn't know that. So I want to thank you all for coming out. We really appreciate it. It's been a really difficult weekend in the Ottawa area because of all the tornadoes that went through the other day. Lions Foundation of Canada is a great organization.
which provides 6 types of service dogs to help people live a better life. And we're all pleased that we can support that organization and deliver great service for people in need in our communities. So thank you very much, and have a great afternoon, and I'm going to let it go.
I think that I can translate. To help the dogs impact the greatest number of people available. It's a pretty amazing new program.
So I'm going to just turn it over to Lion Tom, who's going to give you some details of how we did today and also give out some prizes.
Thanks very much, Lion Andy, and welcome all. Just a quick note, we had 17 walkers registered, so thank you all for coming out. We raised $6,780.23. So thank you very much, everybody. And today we have 2 prizes to give out for that. This year, Becker's Pet Care, who is a boarding place down just south of Stittsville, they gave us a $200 donation towards boarding at their place. And for the top walker, Peter Henry raised $1,400 today, and he will continue down at Saunders Farm to raise another probably $2,000 down there as well.
Personne qui a ramassé le plus gros montant.
all the dogs look when the sound.
Okay, and winning some tickets to Saunders Farm, we have the #1 team being Adel's 101 donations.
Hey Tommy, that's you.
Their team today.
Oh, l'équipe de Adel, ils ont gagné le premier prix, puis ils ont gagné des billets de Saunders Farm.
It was really neat. I was working at the end, towards the end there, and Angèle came in and she looked at the number of treats in there. She wrote 455. Oh, she's so close. And then I got soaring through here, and Vanessa Labonte guessed 256. So Vanessa will get the prizes. Is she here still? Or?
What you got in there, Tom? Dog treats. Nice, very nice.
Tickets for Saunders Farm.
Here, show me the tickets. Oh, wow. Do you want to go again, Tommy?
Yes, Mom.
To that crazy haunted barn?
Yes.
Saunders Farm. 4 tickets. Exciting.
Yes, Mom.
He was already feeling playful when he was rolling on his back.
Yeah.
I'd say he likes that toy. If anyone ever appreciated a prize in their life, it's him.
So we also have draw tickets for everybody, and we have 3 prizes. Matic Pet Value donated that lovely box of goodies. Margaret Pettipaw donated this.
This is Tommy's draw number.
It's a,
That's your number, Tommy.
It's a
and it's got his name on it.
hammock for your car that to support the dog. There's lots of ground sheet on there. I believe there's a little collapsible water bowl as well.
Oh! You won, Tommy. You won.
Thanks, Mom. Travel bag. Oh, score.
So lucky.
Tommy Debrussé a gagné le premier billet, puis là, lui, il va choisir quel qu'il veut avoir.
Yeah,
yes, travel bag. That sounds good.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Wow.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. You got real lucky, Tom. That'll be Adele's suitcase. You won a prize, Adele.
Margaret Petitpas, elle a gagné. Elle va choisir quelqu'un d'eux.
Ooh, we got a water dish. Oh, nice.
We had a new partner this year, Five Guys Hamburgers, and for every hamburger that was sold, and every poutine that was sold, and every milkshake that was sold, we got $1. Now, I don't know what the total is yet, but when we do find out, we'll let you know.
I'm really curious, how many poutines and hamburgers did you eat, Andy?
I had a club meeting. She had one.
On aimerait remercier Five Guys. Les autres sont à Stittsville et puis ils ont offert 1 pièce pour chaque hamburger puis poutine. pour la Fondation des Lions Chiens Guides.
We can't go by without saying thank you to Pet Value for their support. They not only our national sponsor, but all the stores in the Ottawa area. They've either had walks themselves or they've donated gifts to our walk. So to Pet Value stores, thank you very much. Well, that concludes the walk for this year. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming out again. And we really appreciate your support. And, you know, close to $7,000, that's good. We'll take it. And thank you, thank you, thank you.
Merci, merci, merci.